A lot of people think that the vegan diet will be the best for them, or the carnivore diet is the best, or they saw something online that said the keto diet is 100% the best diet for them to lose weight and ultimately become the best version of themselves and keep that body fat off forever. Now, here's the deal with all these diets, and when you're thinking about a special diet to lose weight, calories are going to be king. So when it comes to the current research, any diet equated for overall calories will allow you to lose weight. If it takes 2,500 calories for you to maintain your current body weight, and you are eating vegan, you are eating carnivore, you are eating keto, maybe you're trying intermittent fasting, all of them will allow you to maintain your weight. If you're eating less than that, but still doing all those different specific exercises, you will also, guess what? Lose weight. So at the end of the day, it does not matter. It does not matter. What matters is adherence. So we need to ask ourselves which diet feels the least like dieting, because that's the one that's going to allow us to get that long-term lasting weight loss. That is what's going to get us to be healthy and be thin for a very long period of time and keep that weight off. So if the vegan diet feels great for you, it feels like you don't even aren't even missing anything, right? Do that. If keto feels great, if it feels like you can eat whatever you want, which a lot of people on keto feel that way, go for it. Just realize that at the end of the day, it's the calories that are going to dictate weight loss. The diet itself is kind of irrelevant. I'll give you my own personal example. I eat I would say 70 to 80% of my diet is pretty clean, pretty whole foods. I eat about 20% of my calories from, I would say, just straight up junk food. So I like ice cream, cookies, cakes, whatever at night. And because I've equated calories all these days, it doesn't matter, right? I haven't gained a bunch of weight because the diet itself doesn't matter, the calories matter. And when you're thinking of the calories, the whatever diet that allows you to maintain and control your calories the easiest, that's the one that I would highly recommend for you to stick to for lasting weight loss and ultimately achieving your fitness goals.